Keyword research is the absolute first, non-negotiable step before you even think about hitting that record button on your next video project. Think of keywords as the precise language your audience uses when they are typing something into that big YouTube search bar every single day. When you strategically place these perfect keywords into your video title, the detailed description, and even within your spoken script, YouTube instantly knows exactly who should see your amazing content. For instance, imagine a viewer types in something specific like effective ways to boost my small business online, and your video delivers a crystal clear answer, making YouTube much more inclined to suggest your video right there. This crucial connection is precisely why all those widely successful YouTube channels never just randomly guess what people want to watch. Instead, they diligently track and follow real search demand data. The real secret is mastering the balance by selecting keywords that boast a high number of people searching for them, while simultaneously having relatively low competition to cut through the noise. Following this powerful search-driven strategy means that even brand new or smaller channels have a legitimate pathway to accumulating consistent, high-quality views week after week.